riding with the old Tim of Wyoming. This is out by Wind River, Wyoming. Getting out and seeing new trails, exploring, having a blast.
5 minutes later.
But it's just interesting, like how you could be flying through some chunk. Yeah. Bake, baby. Shake and bake. Shake and bake, buddy. I'm fatter than Tim. It's like go faster. Pick up speed faster than him. I'm heavier. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. You could definitely nuke that section. Oh, that like how it's like dug in just a little bit so you can just grip on those turns on that shale. That's cool. Pretty cool. Beautiful up here, man. Looking over the whole valley. Ooh, little jumper. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. That's awesome. Hell yeah. I'd like to see what the KON is on that. By someone. I bet you someone has ripped that so fast. Good supported turns. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Nice. Good job, trail builders. Thumbs up. Love those optional jumps. Little side hits. Ba, ba, ba. Ba, ba. This is what we call fun but safe pace. Nothing crazy. We all want to go home in one piece. Yeah, I definitely could see like kind of why they like would rate it a blue, I guess, because there is like long sections of like, you know, blue, but there is some definitely spice mixed in there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's
So I guess depending on your lines and what you do, there's definitely some spice floating around.
the thing is you hit the nail on the head in Utah, like anytime you have a black, you're gonna rate the trail black.
Yeah, because like they think it's cool to rate trails a little harder.
Yeah.
I still think mountain bikers need to band together, kind of like how they do in climbing, how like only professional climbers and people that set routes are allowed to grade them. And the grading can be changed over time depending on what it is.
Like even this is like,
This is definitely not blue just because of exposure.
it's got exposure, it's off camber.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's fun though. I dig this.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, buddy. Nice. Little off-camera routes, you got to be careful. Yeah, they did a fantastic job though. This is awesome.